Our top-of-the-range table is the Butterfly Centrefold 25. It has been selected for the World Championships and many other international and national competitions. The Centrefold is a heavy-duty match table used by top clubs, sports centres and for international match play. The main advantage of the Centrefold is the 25-plus top. This ingredient added to the surface increases the consistency and reliability of the bounce of the ball for both top spin and backspin shots, so producing an excellent performance. It reduces skid and gives players every confidence to play their shots. The top is protected by a strong steel frame with magenta corner pieces. The undercarriage is one of the strongest available. It incorporates 4 large Steinco 125mm strong wheels, 2 of which have brakes. This guarantees both firm standing and easy movement. Transportation and storage is easy with the Centrefold's unique space saver system, which makes folding and rolling the table simple and safe. The table tops fold together at the centre, reducing the width of the storage position to only 20 inches or 51 centimetres. A unique, easy-to-use safety system prevents the table from opening and closing accidentally. A perfectly level playing surface is achieved by use of the height adjusters on all 4 of the end legs. The Centrefold 25 table is one of the few top match models which is wheelchair friendly. The distance between the end of the table and the first leg is 400mm to meet the standard required for paraplegic competitions. The Centrefold 25 is delivered ready assembled, so that all is required before using the table is to take off the packaging, roll the table out and fit the net and posts. The Centrefold 25 is available with a green top or blue top with matching light silver legs. The Butterfly Centrefold 25 is approved by the International Table Tennis Federation for use in competitions, has a European Safety Certificate, EN 14468-1, and is guaranteed for 5 years.